Hi, I'm Mr. Pencil, and I have a really long head.
I'm Mr. Calculator. My eyes are so big from excitement.
Today we're doing unlike denominators. What do you think about that, Mr. Calculator?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
So happy.
I'm spinning in excitement.
So we have unlike denominators right now, which means that we'll have to make them like. So how are we going to do that?
Well, for one, we're going to bring over n plus 3 from the other side to the left side, and
then on the right side, we're going to bring over n minus 1 to distribute it. So 2 over n plus 3, and then we're going to get our big 1 on the side for each side. So for 2 over n plus 3,
we're going to bring over n plus 3 to both sides for the numerator and denominator.
and then for 2 over n plus 3, we're going to bring n minus 1 on top and bottom to distribute those.
Alright, after we bring them over to both sides, what we're going to do is put in parentheses n minus 1 and n plus 3 to make that our final denominator on both sides so they match.
So on the right side, n minus 1, n plus 3, this is our final denominator. Now they're like, which makes me very happy.
Alright, so after we do that, we will distribute 3n to n plus 3, the numerator of the big one, which in turn gives us 3n squared plus 9n.
And on the right side, we're going to distribute the 2 to n minus 1, which gives us 2n minus 1, minus 2.
And in the end, we have a addition problem.
Very happy. Our
very
lives are
happy.
so easy now.
Our lives are so much easier. We only have to add. We don't have to flip anything. Our final end answer will be 3n squared plus 11n and minus 2. That will be our numerator after we add 3n squared plus 9n, 2n minus 2.
So we already got the hard part done on the top. We already established our new denominator, which is n minus 1 and n plus 3. We're very happy right now.
Yes, we solved the problem together. Yay.
Mr. Calculator, thank you for listening.
I'm Mr. Pencil, and thanks for listening. I'm spinning in excitement.
Whoa,
Chill, bro.
hold on, it's okay. We have more math to do. Save that excitement, yay.
Stop copying me.
The next problem that we have is a little different because the denominators are different, so we have to determine a common denominator. By looking at this problem, we can tell that it's a subtraction problem, so we need to use the method keep, change, change. So first, we're going to keep the 5x positive, and then we're going to change the sign to a plus, and then we're going to change the 2x to a negative 2x.
Now we are going to rewrite the problem with the new signs and spaces for the big one.
Pause.
When finding the common denominator, you look at the opposite denominator, which is x plus 5, and multiply that by x plus 2 for both the numerator and denominator. You are then going to multiply x plus 5 with x plus 2.
So the next step is to rewrite the common denominator, which is combining the x plus 5 and the x plus 2. Oops, I messed up. I'm going to do this again. So then we're going to write it on the other side too. Next, we're going to multiply the 5x and the x plus 2 for the first numerator. And we can use this, or we can do this by using distributive property, and we can also do this by using the box method. So next we're going to multiply negative 2x and x plus 5 to get the next numerator. So rewrite that. And then we are going to solve by adding the two numerators and keeping the denominators because they are the same.
After you multiply everything by the common denominator, you're going to simplify the problem by keeping the common denominator and adding like terms from the numerator. 5x squared minus 2x squared is 3x squared, and positive 10x plus negative 10x equals 0, so you do not have to include that in the problem. The answer is 3x squared over x plus 5 and x plus 2.
Yay! Yay!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Good job, guys. Okay, so now we have another problem that we think that you should try. So remember to look at the signs, which this is a subtraction problem, so remember the method that you need to use, and also look at the denominators and determine if they are like or different. Make sure to pause the video and so you can solve.